Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see a very sought after feature of MS Word that many of my subscribers asked. That is how to protect a Word document by password. For example, this is the Word document I have opened. Well, for information, I am using Windows 10 here in my laptop. So this is the Word document that I want to protect. Prepare your document. I have just written one line. You can prepare your Word document with a lot of text or whatever you want and save this to your location and then open your file. You can see once you click on file, there is something called protect document here, the first icon. You can see a key and lock symbol. So click here. Once you do that, a lot of options will come like markers final, restricted editing. We don't have to go through all these other options. You have to just click here encrypt with password. So once I click here in encrypt with password, you have to give a password. It's saying that caution, if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and the corresponding document names in a safe place. Remember that passwords are case sensitive. So for example, for the sake of this video, I'll just type A, B, C, D. Yeah, this is the password. Okay, re-enter password again, A, B, C, D, for example, for the video. Okay, so my Word document is protected now. I'll close this. I can go back also. Once I close this document, I'll save it. Okay, I'll open this. So once I open this file, you can see, yes, it's asking password. So I'll type again A, B, C, D, then OK. Yes, I can see now my Word document by a password. So friends, this is how you can protect your Word document if you don't want others to look into or get into your Word document without your permission. You can very well use this technique to give a password or security, and only you can or whoever knows this password can open this file. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this feature of Word. Of course, please subscribe to this channel, Infotainment, to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.